Ayan, naririnig po ba ako? Hello? St. John? Again, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, so our icing, meaning ng ating icing is a sweet coating made of sugar, butter, water, and egg whites or milk. So it is contains daw ng sugar, butter, water, egg whites or milk. It is often flavored and cooked and used to cover or decorate baked goods such as cakes or cookies. Okay. So yan po yung meaning ng icing or frosting. Ano po pinagkaiba ng icing at frosting, sir? It's the same. Kasi nga, di ba, as on our definition, it is made of sugar, butter, water, and egg whites. Ayan. So, the different types of icing are the following. The number one types is the butter icing, buttercream. A buttercream is made of sifted powdered sugar, milk, and superior butter. The quality of butter used will reflect on the appearance, consistency, and taste of your buttercream frosting. Children love this type of frosting and are one of the most common types used in cake decorating, and the select is whipping up the butter at the right temperature. Also, since this type of cake icing melts easily in hot weather, the finished cake must be chilled prior to the serving to prevent the buttercream frosting from losing its stiffness. Ayan. So, yun lang po yung kanyang disadvantage. If you use this kind of frosting or icing, must be chilled muna prior to serving. Kasi if ever na-exposed on the hot weather or the humidity or sa hot temperature, is nagmi-melt yung ating buttercream icing. So, yun po yung kanyang disadvantage kung yan po yung inyong gagamitin. But, it is, maganda naman siya gamitin kasi nga, it is the flavorful kasi the sweetness, the softness of the butter is nandun. Pero napaka-importante din if you choose this kind of frosting is you have to select the superior types of butter. Baka mamaya, 'di ba, yung mga mumurahin lang na butter such as the ano ba 'yan? Anong ano yung butter na medyo mura, yung tagfo 45 pesos. Pwede din naman yon if you're going to practice or tawag dito. Pero if pang negosyo or something in the events or sa mga magandang mga tawag dito, is hindi po pwedeng gamitin kasi it reflect daw doon sa ating types of butter na ginagamit. Okay, the number 2 types of frosting is the whipped cream. This type of cake icing is achieved using cold heavy cream and sugar. Some would advise use to powdered sugar, but ordinary granulated sugar would work just as well. Ayun. So, kailangan po ng heavy whipping cream. Ayan, medyo may kamahalan po siya, pero mayroon din namang mga alternatives na whipped cream such as the all-purpose cream, 'di ba? Proper techniques lang on how to chill the all-purpose cream yung ginagamit natin sa mga desserts natin, which is the Nestle cream, ano bang tawag doon ninyo, 'di ba? Pwede pong gamitin 'yon, pero make sure you have to chilled muna yung ating all-purpose cream bago i-whip para magiging whipped cream siya. Okay. You can also add your preferred extract or flavor to match your cakes. Ayan. So, you have to, kung daw, pwede din po siyang lagyan ng flavor or match your cakes flavor daw. Kung kunwari, gusto mo ng buko pandan, kung gusto mo ng chocolate frosting, so pwede din naman na lagyan ng flavor. And then, among those love light and easy to make frosting on their cakes. Ayan. Napaka-importante kung gusto mo nagmamadali ka, pwede mo pong gawin yan. Kasi mabilis lang siya gawin. At least, basta mayroon kang ah, hand mixer, ayan, and then mixing bowl, and then pwede na siya. Pwede ka nang gumawa. The royal icing, the number 3 types. Okay. These types of cake icing dries into the hard outer shell. It is also one of the easiest to dye with edible colorings. Ayan. If you say royal icing, yan po yung meringue. So, yan po yung egg whites and then the confectionery sugar or the powdered sugar. Yun po yung kanyang combination or ingredients sa paggawa niyan. I-whip mo muna or ibibit mo yung egg whites until fluffy. So, dapat magiging silky siya and then magiging sticky and then lalagay mo yung powdered sugar para yun yung magiging stabilizer ng ating egg whites. So, yun po. Mabilis po siya. Pag mahanginan po yan, titigas na yung ating royal icing. So, it's probably, yan po yung ginagamit na kung nakikita nyo po yung tawag dito, yung mga flower rings or yung mga peonies. Yung peonies is yung mga decoration sa mga cakes na which is the sugar candies. Diba? Nakikita nyo ba yon, St. John? Hello? Hello po. May kausap pa po ako? Ayan. So, yun po yung mga royal icing. Yun po yung ginagamit nila, yung mga flowers, di ba? So, yun po yung royal icing, yung dried candy icing na nandun sa ating cakes. Yun po yung royal icing. Kasi mabilis lang siya. Mahanginan lang siya ng ilang minutes. Pwede mo na siyang tawag dito. Dry up na siya. So, yun po yung ating royal icing. Okay. The cream cheese, number 4. Frosting cream cheese frosting is made with part of buttercream frosting and a good quality cream cheese. This type of frosting is usually perfect for carrot cake, red velvet cakes, and as the filling for donuts and cupcakes because of its consistency. It is a bit heavier to spread than most type of cake icing. Some would even put cream cheese frosting on their bread as the stand-alone spread. Ayan. Shh! Ang ingay! Nakikisabay din. Diba? Nakikisabay yung aking dog. Sasalita ako, diba? Tumatahol din siya. Ayan. So, the cream cheese is pwede din siyang paghaluin dun sa ating buttercream. Okay? So, nakakita na kayo ng cream cheese, St. John. Hello? St. John. Ayun, medyo may kamahalan lang ang cream cheese natin. Kasi, syempre, mga 100 plus yan. If ever nagagawa tayo, ginagamit ang cream cheese minsan sa mga pastry natin such as the no-bake cheesecake. Ayan, ginagamit po yun. Pero, medyo may kamahalan lang ang ating cream cheese. Ayan. So, next is the meringue. Okay, the meringue is the basic ingredients for this frosting are egg whites, cold water, and granulated sugar, and are one of the most common types of cakes icing. It is light and fluffy because air is introduced into the egg mixture to create a stiff consistency. So, meringue is yan yung basic ingredients niya daw is egg whites din. So, katulad din dun sa royal icing, yung kanyang tawag dito. So, ang kanyang consistency is almost the same dun sa ating royal icing. At saka yung sa meringue, pareho lang yung paggawa at pareho lang yung kanilang consistency. The number 6 is the fondant icing. This is a popular heavy frosting among celebrations cakes because it's easy to sculpt and work out. The basic fondant ingredients include the gelatin, glycerin, water icing or castor sugar is lighter than the powdered sugar, and shortening. Fondant is made by melting marshmallow,